What's going on YouTube? I had a 2.4 twin cam, and I went to the junkyard when they would get a starter. That's the one from the junkyard, and this is my old one. The starter was pretty shitty on that one. But you got two bolts. You have a bolt right here, and you have a bolt down here. Let's see if I can get to it. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yep, I think that's the bolt right there. Now, if you want to get a better, easy access to it, you don't have to take no fan out. You don't have to remove none of this stuff. You don't have to remove this. I mean, if you want to put more work into it and make it longer, then I mean that's pretty much up to you. But just to make life simple, you want to take that bolt off right here, and you want to take that bolt off right here. So that way you'll have a easier access to get to that bolt down there. But if it's too hard to get to, you want to use, where's it at? Let's see. Let me grab my key. What I use one of these right here for a better prime, and for me to get down there with that. You see what I'm saying? You get your tool, you get a long ass bar, and you want to prime it. You know what I mean? Instead of just, I don't want nobody to kill themselves. But yeah, other than that, take your two bolts off right here, disconnect that. Once you got the starter like kind of pinned down like this, hold on, I'll show you. I should have made the video to where your starter comes down like this, like downward. Once you get the two bolts off, if you get it down like that, you have the bolt right here and then one right here. Take that off, slap it on. I haven't started the car up yet. I just wanted to make the video first of a how-to if you didn't know where the bolts and stuff was at. It's a pretty easy job. It's not hard. Probably took me at least about a good hour to take the starter off and put the starter on. If you got the whole correct bolts and stuff, it takes like an hour to do it. But I'm about to start her up and see what's good. And I'm gonna put my coolant tank on. I'm gonna take that stock off and put the coolant tank system on. I haven't started her up. Oh, and please make sure you disconnect the battery, because you don't want to shock or spark yourself. You know what I mean? It's a safety precaution. But I haven't started up yet. I just want to make the video of how to replace. My hands are dirty, but yeah, I got a brand. But yeah, I'm about to start her up and see what happens. Hell yeah! Start up pretty, real pretty. But yeah, and that's how you replace the starter. The bolt up here is an 18. I use this right here to take it off, and the other bolt down here at the bottom that I was telling you about, it's a 15, and this is what I use. And I also had I mean you can use this. It was too small, so I went on ahead. Where's it? If I can find that. Nope. Yeah, this is the one I use right here to get that to get that bottom one off. So it's a 15 at the bottom, and you have a 18 up top for that one. So thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna put all this stuff back together, and yeah. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it.